know how it feels. The uncertainty, the worry that keeps me awake at night when 3 jobs suddenly become 1. We're all feeling it. Parents juggling meetings with midnight feedings, talented workers caught in cycles of introspection and rejections. We feel pressured to become perfect and efficient, leaving us wondering if our imperfections, our humanity, is now a liability. It seems bleak, but in our hardest moments, we discover our greatest strength, each other. Because humanity isn't defined by some corporation or algorithm, we define it. That's why when one of us falls, 100 hands reach out to help pick us back up. AI might feel like an unstoppable wave, and none of us really know how far it's going to go. But history has always challenged our humanity, and we always find a way. And sure, AI can create distilled versions of our art and automate what we've done in the past. But remember, it's not your job title or your productivity rating that makes you valuable. It's your creativity, your passion, your imperfections that have always sparked our greatest breakthroughs. And yes, we'll mess up. We won't always get it right. We'll fall down 7 times, but we will stand up 8. No one's sponsoring this message. This video is about every person who's ever shown humanity when it mattered most. It's about the manager who saw potential in a nervous new graduate. It's about your kids whose love doesn't depend on job security. It's about the person you decide to call today after 10 years, because friendship has no expiration date. Your humanity matters. Your struggles, your triumphs, your courage to face uncertainty, these aren't moments you have to carry alone. The future always feels scary, but our imperfect resilience will carry us forward into this brave new world. Now be human. Remind somebody that they're not alone.